Welcome to the top best. The best earring hardware is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components when crafting or selecting jewelry, as it directly impacts the comfort, durability, and overall aesthetic of your earrings. Whether you're a seasoned jewelry maker or someone looking to understand what makes a great pair of earrings, diving into the world of earring hardware is essential for achieving professional-looking and comfortable results that stand the test of time and wear. Understanding the nuances of different materials, designs, and closures can elevate your creations from simple accessories to statement pieces that truly shine. Number 5. TOAOB Earring Hooks and Jump Rings Jewelry Making Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to start creating beautiful jewelry. It includes a generous supply of earring hooks, jump rings, and earring backs, all made from high-quality metal and silicone materials. Crafted with your comfort in mind, these earring hooks are hypoallergenic and smooth, ensuring no allergic reactions. They are sturdy and built to last, while the silicone earring backs offer a secure and comfortable fit. The kit features earring wires in a convenient size, along with multiple sizes of jump rings and earring backs. You'll also find 5 stylish colors: gold, silver, gray, K-gold, and platinum, offering endless design possibilities. Each earring hook has a pre-drilled hole, making it simple to attach your favorite charms, beads, or chains. This design allows for effortless customization and easy replacement of hanging decorations. Unleash your creativity with these versatile findings, perfect for making leather, wooden, or resin earrings. They are ideal for creating unique styles for daily wear or as thoughtful gifts for handmade enthusiasts. All components come neatly organized in a practical storage box. This makes it easy to keep your supplies tidy and accessible, whether you're working on a project at home or on the go. What we like. This kit offers a fantastic variety of colors and a generous quantity of components, perfect for extensive crafting projects. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to explore various earring designs and color combinations, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who enjoy having plenty of options at their fingertips for both personal projects and gifting. What people say. These earring hooks are a delightful combination of style, durability, and hypoallergenic comfort. The mixed colors add a playful touch to my jewelry creations, allowing me to match them perfectly with various handmade resin designs and beadwork. TOAOB's hypoallergenic ear wire hooks have proven to be incredibly gentle on my ears. I can wear my creations for hours without any discomfort or redness. Number 4. 925 Sterling Silver Plated Earring Hooks Kit. Craft beautiful jewelry with these hypoallergenic earring hooks and jump rings. Made from 925 sterling silver-plated copper, they ensure comfort for all-day wear. This comprehensive kit provides 150 earring hooks, 200 earring backs, and 150 jump rings. You'll have plenty for numerous projects and replacements. Easily create your own unique earrings with the included jump rings. They are the perfect addition to personalize your jewelry designs. Experience elegant style with these ergonomically designed hooks. Their lightweight feel and exquisite polishing showcase beautiful curves for a dynamic look. These versatile hooks are perfect for all your earring projects. Mix and match with your favorite accessories to create stunning earrings for daily wear or special events. Everything you need is in this kit to start making gorgeous earrings. Enjoy the ease of creating custom jewelry for yourself or as gifts. What we like. Crafted with 925 silver-plated copper, these hooks provide a touch of elegance and are designed for comfort. If you prioritize a refined look and hypoallergenic materials for your creations, this set is a great option. It's particularly suitable for making earrings that are both stylish and gentle on sensitive ears, perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. What people say. The earring hardware is very sturdy and well-made. These earring findings are perfect for my jewelry making projects. I love the variety of sizes and shapes available in this earring hardware set. Number 3. OwMell Elegant Pearl Drop Earrings. Discover the timeless elegance of these exquisite pearl drop earrings. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, they add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Each earring features a large, lustrous pearl, measuring 12 millimeters, that dangles gracefully. The natural beauty of the pearl is enhanced by a delicate gold plating. Made from high-quality 925 sterling silver, these earrings are designed for both beauty and durability. They are a perfect blend of classic style and modern luxury. These dangle stud earrings offer a versatile style, perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. They are designed to complement any woman's jewelry collection. Surprise someone special with these stunning earrings. They make a thoughtful and elegant gift that will be cherished for years to come. What we like. These earrings feature a classic pearl drop design with a luxurious gold plating. If you appreciate timeless elegance and the sophisticated look of pearls, these are a wonderful choice. They are perfect for adding a touch of refined beauty to any outfit, making them ideal for formal events or as a chic everyday accessory. What people say. Beautiful earrings that are the perfect size. Excellent quality. I have purchased 8 pair of these incredible earrings so far, lightweight, and sterling silver in a classic design that travels from daily to evening wear. Absolutely gorgeous and beautifully crafted. The hoop is sturdy and secure, and the size is perfect, noticeable even from afar. Looks very refined and high-end. Number 2. Anezus 1900 PCS Earring Making Kit. Discover a world of possibilities with our comprehensive earring making kit. It's perfect for crafting unique earrings or giving your favorite pieces a fresh new look. Get incredible value with this set of 1,900 earring findings in various colors. It's ideal for all your jewelry making endeavors and makes a thoughtful DIY gift. With 6 assorted colors, matching your creations to any project is effortless. Let your imagination run wild with a spectrum of choices. This kit includes all the essential hardware for earring making, from hooks and backs to jump rings. Easily connect your charms and secure your designs with confidence. Craft with peace of mind knowing these findings are made from nickel-free and lead-free metal alloy and rubber. The hooks are 20 mm, and jump rings come in 4 mm and 5 mm sizes for your convenience. Create stunning earrings or repair beloved pieces affordably. These fish hook earrings are perfect for all your DIY jewelry projects. What we like. This is an incredibly comprehensive kit with a vast number of pieces and assorted colors, making it perfect for both making and repairing jewelry. If you need a wide array of findings for numerous projects or want to stock up for DIY gifts, this set offers exceptional value. It's ideal for crafters who want to ensure they have all the necessary components for any earring making endeavor. What people say. Set contains multiple types of earring backs, jump rings, and colors. Should last me a long time. This earring making set is one of my favorites. I've purchased it numerous times. The size of the container is perfect and the quality of pieces are great. It's super easy to pick the colors and sizes of each hoop. Of the organization of it. Lots to choose from, great for different designs. Very quick delivery. And I love the box they come in as it's all sorted ready for you to create your own designs. Number 1. Stainless Steel French Earring Hooks Kit. This is a great value kit for all your earring making needs. It includes a generous supply of hooks, jump rings, and comfortable silicone backs. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these components resist fading and are hypoallergenic. The soft silicone backs ensure comfortable wear without causing reactions, even on sensitive skin. These French hooks are perfect for any occasion. Combine them with other jewelry pieces to create beautiful DIY accessories for holidays, parties, and more. Unleash your creativity and design one-of-a-kind earrings. They make thoughtful and special gifts for loved ones or a unique addition to your own art collection. The smooth earring hooks glide easily into ear holes, while the durable yet soft backs are simple to handle. The included jump rings make attaching charms and decorations a breeze. What we like. Made from durable stainless steel, these hooks are designed for longevity and resistance to fading. If you're looking for hypoallergenic and long-lasting earring hardware that maintains its appearance, this is the set for you. It's perfect for creating earrings that can withstand frequent wear in various conditions without compromising on quality or comfort. What people say. The earring hardware is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to tarnishing. The intricate design of the earring hooks adds a touch of elegance to any jewelry piece. These earring findings are easy to work with, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced jewelry makers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.